Hey everybody, I'm over here with my son today, and we're gonna pressure wash this house. I have a program where it's a mobile home. One house per month I'm gonna do for free. One per month. So this is the house that I chose for January. If y'all can see in the background, you can see the green. I rode by here and I saw this lady, single mom, out here with her kids. And I asked her, can I pressure wash your house? And she's like, yeah. I said, no, I'm doing it for free. She said, hell yeah. So y'all saw the beginning. We're gonna get started and I'll walk around when we're done. Who? Stay tuned. Neighborhood lawn care. Give me that neighborhood lawn care. Neighborhood lawn care. Neighborhood lawn care. Give me that neighborhood lawn care. Neighborhood lawn care. Mess around on this side of town. Cutting and trimming and mowing and blowing. 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 Neighborhood lawn care. Give me that neighborhood lawn care. Neighborhood lawn care. If you're looking for great service at the right price, call 912-432-9319. Neighborhood lawn care maintenance. Neighborhood lawn care. Give me that neighborhood lawn care. Neighborhood lawn care.
All right. I love what there's
Why
art.
you talking about? All right. Okay, thank you, Hassan. Before we wrap up, I want y'all to, I started over here. So you can see all the green is gone. All the green is gone. All the moss, the algae. I did the outside of the stairs. And I did it quick because there's no water source. So I had to make sure to put the mixture hot or strong, but at the same time, hustle and make sure to get the whole, this is a double wide trailer. Back here, we had a full water tank, and now it's down here at the bottom. So you can see that house took We didn't use a lot of bleach. Lid, I gotta rinse that out, but so don't roll it all the way. We didn't use a lot of soap. We use about 5 gallons of bleach or SH. We use a ton of water, and I was hustling. So that's how dirty this house is. But now she's sparkly clean. She's sparkly clean. So thank you to y'all who watched to the end. I'm a rookie at this video. I've been out here in these streets a long time. I'm new to the YouTube game. So thank you, Hassan, for helping me. You can see the kids in the window. They got a sparkly clean house. It's all compliments of neighborhood lawn care and pressure washers. Be a great part of your community. Be known as a giver and not just a taker. Be known as a loaner and not a borrower. It's all in the cycle of life. Give and it'll come back to you. All right, we out. Okay, we back. I got Miss Tara. She's the owner of this house that we just washed. And I just wanted to see if she wanted to say something to you all. This is our program of giving back to the community. I don't have a name for it yet. So if y'all could like chime in and comment, give us a name. But I want to do one house or a church every month. Because the Bible say you give and it'll come back to you. So this is our way. You give on your level and this is on our level. So I just wanted to give Miss Tara an opportunity if she wanted to say something to bless y'all out there.
Hello, everybody. My name is Tara. We're out here in Hinesville, Georgia, and he did an amazing job to my house. I mean, it was all green, and now it's all clean. I appreciate him so much. He didn't have to do it, but he did it anyway.
Yeah.
Thank you all. And telling you, let him do your stuff now. He can do yards, he can do houses, he do it all, baby. Out here in Hinesville. Have a good day.
Hey.